Hywell high-shear granulator. Hywell high-shear granulator is widely used in granulation work, in pharmaceutical, chemical, food and other industries. The core principle is to granulate the material by adding an appropriate amount of liquid binder, thereby improving its fluidity, compressibility and solubility, and finally forming uniform particles. Thereby improving its fluidity, compressibility and solubility, and finally forming uniform particles. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit the official website.